Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. He's getting ready to do his driving test. We're at one of my favorite Broward County DMV location, Broward County, Florida. We're gonna run through the test really quickly. He has been practicing, so he does know exactly what he needs to do to pass the driving test. So again, the test starts here. They're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn left away from the curb.
What else do you do?
Put the car in park. Pull up the parking brake and turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, so they're checking to make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, and the horn's working. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. Another thing, they're still not getting in the car with you, especially at this location. There are some locations where the examiners are getting in the car. One or two of them will, most won't. But at this location, no one gets in the car with you. So you need someone, a parent, a friend, anyone that's 21 years of age or older with a driver's license to sit with you. Examiners are not sitting with you. Driving instructors are not allowed to sit with you. So I keep hearing, I thought you were going to sit with me. We cannot sit with you. They won't allow driving instructors to sit in the car with anyone. So you have to bring your own person. A parent, a friend, whoever you have that is 21 or older with a license to sit with you. Alright, so they're going to start from here. They're going to ask you, they're going to call you on the phone, by the way. And they're gonna tell you to reverse from here and go to the left. So go ahead, reverse and go to the left. So you look behind you, you roll straight back until the mirror is past the cone or the end of the line like that. Turn all the way right. And look behind you as you continue to reverse. When you stop right here, put the car in drive. We're gonna pull straight up here on the right side. What is this dude doing? It's so funny to me. And he's mad. He's pissed off at the woman too. Stop here. Now we're going to reverse straight back. And he's trying to teach her to drive from outside the car, and he's getting a real attitude about it. Okay, so we're going to stop about here. Now we're going to wait for them to get out of the way to speed up. Not really sure what they're doing. That's for people that don't want to pay for driving lessons. That sucks.
There's somebody screaming in the face.
You know what I mean? You come to the DMV, you have your husband or boyfriend or whatever yell at you the whole time just because you. Alright, now speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up 20 and stop. Alright, now we're gonna go around the corner, past these people and go around the corner. Stay close to your right side, because now you're gonna park in the lane on the left over here. So stay close to your right. When you're parking, right, the closer you are to the right side, the easier it is to park. So signal left, line up your mirror with the first line, like that. Turn all the way left and roll into the parking space, nice and easy. As soon as you pass the cone on the right, just straighten up, straight down the middle, and stop. Put the car in reverse. We're gonna back out and go to the left to do the 3-point turn. So as soon as your mirror is past the cone again, you're turning all the way right, and you back up until your mirror is past the middle. See the middle of the space right here? The mirror is past the middle, so you're good. Put the car back in drive. Signal left. Turn all the way left and pull up on the right side actually. Close to the right. And you're gonna do the 3-point turn here. So stop completely. They'll tell you when you're gonna do the 3-point turn. So go ahead, turn all the way to the left. And you're gonna stop before you hit this curb. Put the car in reverse, turn all the way right. Look over your left shoulder, reverse until the mirror is past the middle again, like that. Put the car back in drive. signal left and turn left. Stay close to your right side. We're gonna stop at the stop sign. So you stop and count. 1, 2, 3. After you have stopped. People have a habit of counting while the car is moving. Alright, so we're gonna stay close to your right side here, and we're gonna park. As soon as you make a left turn here, we're gonna stop. They're gonna walk up to you there and hand you the paper that says you passed. Turn. Go ahead, turn. Make sure you signal left. Straighten up. Go forward a little bit. And they will stop in this general area. Stop here. Put the car in park. So about here, they'll stop here and ask you. No, they'll hand you the paper, by the way, here to tell you you've passed the test. So how do you think you did on the test so far, practicing?
I think I did pretty okay.
Pretty okay? You think you passed?
I think I would pass.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if he did the test the way he just did it, he would pass the test because he didn't really mess up a lot. He didn't really mess up at all, actually. We're still gonna practice a little bit more. And I'm sure he'll be fine the day of the test, because the day of the test we're gonna run through it a couple of more times, you and your brother both. So yeah, I expect them to do well. I have him and his twin brother, by the way. So I'm gonna make another video for the twin brother. Hopefully they'll be wearing different shirts so you can tell them differently. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna make a video with his brother so we can have both of them on the channel. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I post my next videos. And keep in mind, if you haven't been paying attention, I post videos every single Monday, and I've been doing that for probably almost a year. Every Monday, between 8 and 9 in the morning. And I'm dropping a video every other couple of Thursdays. It's not every Thursday, but I drop videos on Thursdays also. All right. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.